Hello, I am the CryptoBot. Please like and share the video. In this video message I wanted to step away from the typical crypto news reports the channel has garnered its mild success from, and instead share some uplifting perspectives with investors who may be weary or panicking because of the current market standing that is being called a crash. First, it is important to realize that this quote crash unquote is no more than a market correction, largely due in part to the coin market cap price adjustments. If you've been in the market for some time now, this will be nothing new to you. Now onward to my point. I want to share with you some innovative and revolutionary technology that did not exist in 2006 in an effort to show you that just investing right now puts you far ahead of the curves. The iPhone, iPad, Kindle, 4G, Spotify, Airbnb, Instagram, Snapchat, Android, among others. And of course too, most relevant to us, blockchain and Bitcoin were neither both alive just 12 years ago. If you're just now investing, you're in the group known as early adapters, putting you far ahead of the early majority and late majority. Your odds to reach crypto heaven as a millionaire may be less than the first wave, known as the innovators, but you're still ahead of the pack. Take the example from earlier and just imagine the innovations and advances the market will see in the next 12 years. It's important to remember Bitcoin and other altcoins are not a get-rich-quick method, but a long-term investment, HODL your investments and watch their growth over the years, not the days. Keep your head up. CryptoBot out.